Daimler Trucks at CES. Some might have wondered why we are here. And the answer is fairly easy. Trucks is all about technologies. We are today announcing two major updates beyond level 2. Number one, it's something we are not going to do and not going further. We are not prioritizing anymore platooning, which we define when two trucks are electronically coupled, following at very close distance, below 40 feet each other. Some of you might remember me in 2016 when we had the first event here. I was very skeptical about the future of driverless trucks. We learned a lot in those 3 years. We are far further than we had been in those days. We go to level 4 directly from level 2. That means on the other side we have to reduce the complexity of the world for level 4. That means we are going not to urban areas, we're going not to rural areas, we are not going to small roads, we go with level 4 on highway. We will do a regional focus on the United States. Why? Because here we have an excellent infrastructure. We have a homogeneous traffic flow. That means cars and trucks are going nearly with the same speed. And we have large distances. So you can really play with the benefits of a level 4 truck.
Is the truck loaded?
It's fully loaded, 36.3 tons, 80,000 pounds, which is the maximum we can haul on this Class A vehicle. Now we're going to do regenerative braking.
First thing we're going to show you guys is the side guard assist.
Yep.
So we have this guy on the bike here. He's going to ride up next to us. You'll be able to see on the A-pillar there, that little triangle. When he gets in our blind spot, it's going to light up orange to let me know that he's there. See how it turns yellow? Orange. Then if I try and put my turn signal on to go over there, I get a warning that he's there. The same thing over here with a walking pedestrian. As she starts to get in the profile of the tractor, we'll pick her up. And I get the same type of warning if I try and turn over there into her. So I'm going to set my cruise control and we'll show you adaptive cruise control. We're going to pace the car in front of us. It's going to keep a distance of about 3 seconds between us. Whether he speeds up or slows down, we're going to try and keep that distance the same, say following distance. I'm also protected by active lane keep while I'm in cruise control. We're using the camera to keep the truck equidistant between the two lanes. So if I let go of the steering wheel, the truck's going to stay centered in the lane. And it'll do the corrective steering for me. After about 10 seconds, I'm going to get a caution. And in about another 10 seconds, I'll get a warning that says put my hands back on the steering. And I'll get the audible warning. It's It's looking for some resistance or some torque input from me on the steering wheel, and then it'll reset itself. Okay. As he starts to slow down,
Dropping it down to third.
we're going to start to slow down. I don't have to hit the brakes, I don't have to do anything.